inflatable pool full of dad's hot air. Well, I was 3 years old, splashing everywhere.
Ready?
And so began my
Gas,
love
gas, gas.
affair with water. On a riverbank with all my friends, a big old rope tied to a limb. You're a big old wuss if you don't jump in
Gas, gas, gas,
the
gas.
water. Yeah, when that summer sun starts to beat down and you don't know what to do, grab your swimming trunks, ice up that old igloo and drive until the map turns blue. Daytona Beach on spring break, 18 girls up on stage, white t-shirts about to be sprayed with water. Oh, let her go, boys.
I know that was nothing, but it's fun. Okay. Let's stop on the bar. Vámonos.
Yeah, when that summer sun starts to beat down and you don't know what to do, just go and grab someone you want to see in a bathing suit and drive until the map turns blue. You can stay right there when the daylight's gone, play truth or dare, and it won't take long for you and her. I got nothing on but water. All you really need this time of year is a pair of shades, an ice cold beer, and a place to sit somewhere near water.
All good?
Yes, we are now. We're live. Next. And you're gonna take one of these. Yep.
Oh.